Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a budget planner on the office.com website by using templates. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that you should tap on this create button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the start with the templates section and tap on budgets. Here you can find these Excel templates, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to use. And after that you should wait a few seconds till it loads. And then you can start replacing these default information with your own one. So just tap on the relevant part and replace it with your own data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.